Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Tapo S200D Smart Remote Dimmer Switch. Handy control over your smart lighting. Tapo hub required, there it is, H100. With these sockets I have made the video, you can check down below the description after the end of this video. More products from Tapo are coming, so hit the notification bell, subscribe. Control your smart light from multiple locations with more than one dimmer switch. Brightness and instant wireless control with customized functions and personalized lighting scenes. Design scenarios for your daily routine or special activities by customizing brightness. And all that settings you can adjust it from the Tapo app, download from Google Play Store or App Store. Create automation and enjoy this smart remote dimmer switch more than ever. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual, if you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Stickers, I love stickers. Nice. Location icons, it depends where you want to install this dimmer switch. Some accessories. Nice. Replace your old wall plate with included screws. Just remove that. Use these two screws. Here, there is the metal surface for the magnet. And then you can just install it again. Or you can use the adhesive. There's the adhesive you can install here and use the adhesive and just mount it anywhere you want. Or stick the button anywhere with a provided adhesive. There it is. It goes here. So many options. It depends where you want to install this button. Or if you want, of course, you can also attach switch without a wall plate on any magnetic surface. Place it anywhere you want and your lighting controls are always within reach. You can single tap, double tap, and rotating options enable you to trigger multiple smart actions. To enable, you need to just pull this and enable the device. We can see we have the LED here. Press and hold for 5 seconds. It is solid on, 1, 2, 3. And now we need the Tapo app. I have other devices from Tapo. Add a device, switches, Tapo S200D, Smart Hub. LED is blinking. Yep. Oh, there it is. Smart button. Next. Living room. Next. Choose an icon. Next. Check firmware. Done. Congratulations. Smart button. Settings. Device icon. Device name. Location. Living room. You can choose double tap. You can double tap the device as a trigger for smart actions. Yes, why not? You can create a smart action. Double tap and action. Let's say you can run a shortcut. Leave home maybe. Enable disable automation. I have some automations here from my other videos. Control Tapo devices. Well, okay, let's say drive light. I can choose to turn it on, turn off, on, off, set lighting, adjust the brightness, on direction, choose the minutes, the seconds, brightness increasing or decreasing. For now, let's say on. Or you can add other device. Control Tapo device, let's say smart plug 2. On, yep, done. So many options to choose. Delay action, choose the hour, minute, second. Next, automation name, new. Done. Let's go back. User manual, device info, and you can remove the device. So, there is my two lighting, my plug, and if I'm going to double tap, turns on the light and turn on and the smart plug, the second. I like it. Let's switch off again this. And of course you can do other automation on smart, shortcuts, routine actions. On automation, add automation, trigger, trigger device, smart button, single tap, single tap, add action, control device, let's say the color bulb, one of these, and you can choose again on, off, turn on and off, set lighting, choose the color, on direction, brightness up and down, color temperature decreasing, increasing, random color, set lighting, and done. And if you want, you can add other devices, more devices. Add action, control Tapo devices, you can choose other devices. For now, only that. Next, light. The automation done. And if I'm going to press once, it will turn on the color light. I like that. You can disable the new automation that it says here and create a new automation. Again, smart button, double tap, done, add action, control Tapo device, color bulb, switch it off. Next, off, color, rename the automation, done. And if I'm going to double tap, it will switch off the color bulb. How cool is that? Disable if you want again the color and the light. Create a new automation, again add trigger, trigger device, smart button, single tap, done, then add action, control Tapo devices, smart hub, ring, sound settings. Nope. I like that. Sound direction from 5 seconds to 10 minutes or custom. Well, I will choose 5 seconds. Perfect. And done. And next, automation, door, bell. Done. Created. And you can use your Tapo switch as a doorbell. I like it. And it will ring for 5 seconds. Or you can create another automation. So many automations today with this device. Amazing. Trigger device, smart button, rotate clockwise. Done. Add action, control Tapo device, drive light, brightness up. Done. Next. Brightness. Done. Another automation. Add trigger, trigger device, smart button, rotate anti-clockwise. Done. Control Tapo device, drive light, brightness down. Next. And done. So now if I'm going to just rotate the button, is increasing. Wow. And decreasing. And you can do that with any smart bulb from Tapo. I like it. How cool is that? Create automation to your own way. Adjust, control any device. I like automation, for sure. Buy more than one remote dimmer switch and control all your devices at your home, all your lights. Who needs wiring? only smart devices. And again, at the home, smart button. Here you can see the event logs. Wow! At the exactly time, what's happening. Choose the days. So cool to have the smart devices from Tapo at my home. I enjoy any moment with these smart devices. Are working so great. Fast response without a problem. Nice, I like it. Well, my viewers, that was all about this smart remote dimmer switch. I hope you enjoy watching my video. More products from Tapo are coming, so subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.